This is the so today we're gonna be building the cheapest gaming computer there is. We got this Gigabyte B850M. This is the cheapest board I could find. I'm not gonna lie. If I would have went cheaper than this, we wouldn't have a computer right now. I got this at a discount at Walmart, and it was cheaper than $44. I actually just paid $23 for this, so that was a steal. You can never go wrong with this one. The first gaming PC that I built, I used one of these, a 430 watt. This is the bread and butter of the build. It was not 230. I actually paid 160. I got everything from Micro Center, so the whole build cost me right at 500 on the dash, and I shouldn't count taxes, so if I don't count taxes, it will be 470. So yeah, this right here, this is the cheapest DDR5 RAM you're ever gonna get. It don't matter where you go, this is the only one you're gonna get. You can never go wrong with Cougars. I gotta be honest, I already love this case. Yep, now it's time for the storage.